Hello, welcome back to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Today, I am here with a new topic that is very important, that is Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras is the name of a mathematician who invented this theorem or property. This is only for the right angled triangle. You know what is a right angled triangle? When one of the angles of a triangle is 90 degree, then the triangle is called right angled triangle. And the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. And the other two sides are called perpendicular sides. Also, hypotenuse is the largest side of the right angled triangle. This Pythagoras theorem applicable only for right angled triangle. And that is the relation between the sides of a right angled triangle. That is the hypotenuse and perpendicular sides. What is that relation? Here there is a right angled triangle. Name is ABC. Angle B equal to 90 degree. Therefore, AC is the hypotenuse. BC and BA are perpendicular sides because the angle between them is 90 degree. So the relation is that if you find the square of BC, you know how to find the square. Multiply the number by the same number and then find the square of AB. Also find the square of AC. What you have to do? Find the squares of all the three sides of the right angle triangle. Clear? Then it can be seen that if you add the squares of the perpendicular sides, that is squares of AB and BC, then it will be equal to, it can be seen that this sum is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. It is true for any right angle triangle. That is the property invented by the mathematician Pythagoras. Therefore, it is called Pythagoras theorem. So, what is this theorem? Sum of the squares of the perpendicular sides of any right angle triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. In other words, square of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to sum of the squares of its perpendicular sides. The hypotenuse is only for right angle triangle. The theorem is only for, the property is only for right angle triangle. Clear that? That is, I have written with respect to the figure. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. The values I have substituted here. BC equal to 3, AB equal to 4 and AC is equal to 5. So square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16 and square of 5 is 25. So 9 plus 16 is 25. This is true for any right angle triangle. If you are not getting it is not equal, then the measurements are not the sides of right angle triangle. So 3, 4 and 5 form the length of the sides of a right angle triangle. So the numbers forming the sides of right angle triangle are called Pythagorean triplets. Triplets means group of three numbers together. So what are Pythagorean triplets? Length of the sides forming right angle triangle are called Pythagorean triplets. You can check whether a group of three numbers form the sides of right angle triangle or not using Pythagoras theorem. What you have to do? Take the largest side, find the square and add the squares of the other two sides. If both the values are equal, then we can say that these three numbers form the lengths of the sides of right angle triangle. See, look at this example. The numbers 24, 10 and 16. To check whether they form the sides of right angle triangle. Which is the largest side? 26. 26 square is 26 square is 676. And 24 square plus 10 square. 24 square is 576. Plus 10 square is 100. 576 plus 100 equal to 676. Therefore, we can say that 24, 10 and 26 are Pythagorean triplets. In this way, we can check using Pythagoras theorem whether the given group of three numbers are the sides of right angle triangle. So this Pythagoras theorem is very, very important. And if you know any two sides of a right angle triangle, you can find the third side using Pythagoras theorem. Understood what is Pythagoras theorem? It is only for right angle triangle. What is the theorem? Sum of the measures of the squares of the perpendicular sides of a right angle triangle is equal to square of its hypotenuse. Or you can say in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of its perpendicular sides. Clear? So that is all about today I want to explain. We can learn more about Pythagoras theorem in the upcoming classes. Thank you for watching this lesson. If you like this lesson, please press like button. Also, share, forward and subscribe the channel as much as possible. If you feel it is useful for the students. Have a nice day. See you next week with a new topic. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.